Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to set a mobile data limit on your Nothing Phone 2a. So in order to do that, open up your settings. Now go to your network and internet, select your SIM card. Now scroll down to data warning and limit. Here it is. Tap here. So here you can set your data limit. To activate this feature, simply tap on the switch, press OK. Now we've got our limit activated. So the default is set on 5 gigabytes. However, you can set it to like 25, 100, 15, whatever you'd like. I set it on 6. Okay. Also, you can choose the type of measurement, so on gigabytes or megabytes. All right. So let's leave it on gigabytes. Let's set on 6 gigabytes. So now the limit is set, and once you reach it, the mobile data will be disabled. If you want to disable the limit, in this exact menu, press on set data limit one more time, and now it's off. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.